Wiggles. Mind Your Manners, a book about good manners. Today, the Wiggles are going to practice their good manners. Emma would like to dance with Dorothy. She says please when asking Dorothy to dance. Can I please dance with you? Of course! Simon hands Anthony his guitar. Anthony says thank you to Simon. Thank you, Simon. Henry is helping Captain Feathersword clean his ship. The captain thanks Henry. You're welcome, Henry says. Dorothy is helping Wags clean up his dog toys. Wags thanks Dorothy for her help. Thank you for your help, Dorothy. You're welcome, Wags. Simon is visiting the Chang family for dinner. He waits for everyone to get their plate of food before he starts to eat. Simon takes small, bite-sized pieces and chews quietly with his mouth closed. Manners are really important. They show people that you are a polite, kind person. Practice having good manners. Say please when you ask for something. Say thank you when you are given something. Help out friends and family. Practice good table manners. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your continued support, and we'll see you all in the next video.